Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Krithuverse. Today we are going to read DC circuit that is part of BAA first unit. So, DC circuit is a circuit with closed path in which a direct current is flowing. So that is we called as DC circuit. And we also can say DC circuit is like a one-way street electricity, like in one direction only flowing. And it also powered by source like a battery or any other source that is of DC, like taking input as a voltage or something and storing it. Then at the when it is not storing, that time it is supplying it to the circuit, so that circuit will work. And mostly DC circuit only we are using in our everyday devices, whatever we are using every day. And here we given a simple circuit diagram of DC circuit. So here we use one battery, and in that current is flowing in like this direction. And here one resistance. So from higher potential to lower potential, current is flowing. Now it is a current. It is a very basic and important element of a DC circuit. So current is nothing but a rate of flow of electric charge passing through a point in wire. Means like suppose this is a wire. In this or this you think like a pipe inside it water flowing. So now the flowing of water it is I current. Or else same like this instead of water you understand as an electric charge. So the passing electric charge through a point of wire like this point we understood. So here the flowing of current electric charge that is known as current, and this we measuring in the form of ampere, amps or A, anything we can keep. So for time invariant current, it formula is I equal to Q over T, where Q is charge, T is time. And simultaneously for time varying current, formula is small I equal to dq over dt, is change in charge over change in time. Next one more important aspect of DC circuit is voltage. So it is a electrical potential difference between 2 point, like 2 point is there in between, like here 1 volt, here 2 volt. So the difference in between both is 1 volt, so 1 volt, that is known as voltage. But this we can also say like one wire is there, inside electricity is flowing, so the pushing or the forcing of electricity is known as voltage, we can say. It is we measuring in volts. And the potential difference term we here use that explained here. The potential difference is nothing but the amount of work, like there 2 point there, the amount of work we done to move this unit positive charge from here to here. Uh, that is known as potential difference. Its formula is B equal to W over Q, where W equal to work done, Q equal to charge. This is for a time constant or time invariant. Now for time varying voltage, formula is V equal to dW over dQ. Is change in work done over change in charge. So subscribe, like, comment for more videos and updates.